Coming from the PDC, we've always been lower on the wage scales. We've always been just on the outside looking in.
It's really hard to see each other as equals when there's a discrepancy like that within, your membership. So seeing everybody brought to just a baseline is extraordinary.
PDCs, we saw a bigger bump in wage scales versus some of the brothers and sisters at the manufacturing plants, but yet they stood behind us. That sends a message out. It sends a powerful message. It felt really good knowing that we was ready. We wasn't going to take a no for an answer. It was yes, or it was we'll see when we see you at the table again.
We was willing to strike for them, and they was willing to strike for us. We did what we had to do and what we deserve to do, and the members are so grateful as a smaller PDC.
It felt like we are all family. We are like brother and sister. I mean, it's just like, I cannot describe it. So, I'm just so proud of my members.
Brothers and sisters at other PDCs, come join us. Come join the UAW. Be a part of our family.